How to play FIFA Mobile with friends. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to launch your FIFA Mobile application. And then once you're here, all you have to do is to simply go to this two people icon here at the top right corner. And then here, all you have to do is to look for your friend's name. And then once you found his or her name or user ID or username, all you have to do is to simply click match. That is if this person already accepted your friend request invitation. So you have to tap match and then wait for that person to accept that. And then after that, you can now play together in FIFA Mobile. As you can see, there are some pending requests here. So I'm currently waiting for these people to accept my friend request so I can play with them. Okay, so if you can see that friend here, and if you're looking for someone or a friend and he or she is not yet on your friends list, then you can tap these two people again and then search for their name. Tap this person with a search icon, tap this magnifying glass here, and then type their username or their name. And then tons of users will appear here, and all you have to do is to tap the name of your friend or add him or her. And then once this person accepted your request, then you can play together here in FIFA Mobile. So that's how easy it is to play FIFA Mobile with friends. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.